right, hello friends. We're on our way over to Destin, Florida right now. We've got a fun adventure for you today. We're gonna go out to Crab Island. We've rented a pontoon boat. Why don't you come along with us? All right, so we're right here at the foot of the Mid-Bay Bridge. We're at Mid-Bay Water Sports. They actually just started renting pontoon boats here relatively recently. So pretty easy place to find. Definitely a nice place to dock out of, and a very quick trip down to Crab Island as well. All right, so they take you right down here to the dock, and you can get on any one of these boats. Of course, we've got one of these double-decker boats with the pontoons, with the slides on the back. This company right here actually rents out of several different places here in Destin, so this isn't the only place to pick up. But definitely a nice, easy place to start out from. It's nice and shallow here, so you can even just anchor off this area and enjoy this area some before heading down to Crab Island. All right, well, already have a little adversity on the trip, but hey, we're having fun. We didn't get anywhere but about 300 yards from the shore and the boat died already. So they're coming to bring us a new one. But hey, we're out here in the middle of the bay and we're already using the slide. All right, well, we've made it out to Crab Island. Already got to see some dolphins already on our trip over here. And man, talk about a spectacular day. Now, when you come out here to Crab Island, you just have to kind of scope out which spot you want to come to. We were over near the pass, but the current was really strong as we went over there. So we just decided to go ahead and anchor up here on the north side, but still a good spot. It doesn't really matter where you are out here. They do have several vendors that operate out here selling all kinds of things from ice cream to hamburgers to daiquiris and all kinds of good stuff. So yeah, you can come out and order some food out here as well. Having a good time, babe? All right, so we've been out here at Crab Island for probably a good 4 hours already. It's super, super nice today. Definitely not very crowded. I mean, we are here on a fly day, so if you're wanting to rent a boat and come out here, midweek is probably a good time to do that. I mean, it gets super packed during the holidays, Memorial Day, Labor Day, July 4th. But yeah, I mean, you can still find a spot out here even if you want to come on those busy days. In fact, even if you want to just rent a jet ski and come out for just a little while, they rent jet skis down here on the Destin Harbor, actually quite a few places around here. They've even got companies like this Crab Island Excursions right over here. So if you don't want to rent a pontoon boat on your own, you can just join up one of these groups. I think they come out here for 2 or 3 hours at a time, and they have a captain obviously, so you can just come out and party that way too. Now you can see how close Crab Island is here to the Destin Harbor. You just pass underneath the bridge, the East Pass Bridge there, and you're in the harbor. So if you end up renting a boat, go ahead and head on over there too. It's nice to cruise around the harbor. Check out all the sights and sounds going on over there. There's a lot of cool restaurants to stop at as well. All right, found a new spot, right?
You know what happens on Stranger Things?
What happens on Stranger
They
Things?
come up in the water and grab your feet.
3. All right, so if you had a good time?
It's a good time.
Yeah. Recommend checking out Crab Island if you're visiting Destin?
Of course.
Absolutely. Nice, Steve, nice. Well, we're heading back. It's been a long day. It's been a fun day. All the family had a really good time. If you're coming to this area, you'll definitely have to rent one of these pontoon boats. There's all kinds of different companies that rent these out. So just search up on the internet, find which one is a good price for you, and give it a try. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Crab Island and turned the boat back in. We're so glad you came along with us. And thank you for watching the Butler Family Adventures.